Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Eppendorf SmartBlock 1.5 ml. You can see the product. It says Eppendorf SmartBlock 1.5 ml. This is used along with the ThermoMixer machine. You can see the reference part number and also this is made in Germany. This is how this pack looks like. You can see comes in a small cotton box. This is how it looks like. Okay. I'm going to unbox it for you. There's a seal that comes. Okay, here you go. You can see inside the box. Okay, there are. You can see there are. Okay, let me go one by one. Okay, there is Eppendorf SmartBlock instruction for use. There is an instruction for use brochure. You can see there is a complete instruction for use brochure. You can see that this is available, and then there is a transfer rack instruction for use. There is a transfer rack instruction for use. You can see this here. This is transfer rack instruction for use, and then there is a Eppendorf certificate that comes with the product and the order number and the details. The product code is there. You can see there is a certificate for this, Eppendorf certificate. You can see this. It's here. Okay, I'll just put this here. And this is the actual SmartBlock machine. Let me move this out for you. Okay. Try to move this out. Try to figure out to take this off. Let's see. Oh, there's an easy way. Sorry, I just missed it. So there's an easy way. You can just take this off just like this. Yeah, you can take this off easily. I'll just keep this box aside. And here's the machine. You can see this machine. You can also see the notion block. So it's very nicely safely packed to ensure that there is no damages here. You can see this 1.5 mm block along with the transfer rack. You can see this here. Not removing the seal here, but I can just show you this here. You can see the 2.5 mm. This is how the blocks looks like. I'm showing all the sides. You can see this. This. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And also you can see the block and the transfer rack on the top. Okay. This is how the total kit looks like. So to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Eppendorf SmartBlock 1.5 ml, which is used along with the ThermoMixer machine. You can see the reference part number. In a standard box of this kit, you will get one Eppendorf SmartBlock instruction for use manual and the transfer rack instruction for use manual and the Eppendorf certificate and the main machine along with the transfer rack. This is how the total machine looks like. Thank you.